Oh, hello. I see you've stumbled into this time-lapse drawing of my art. Heck yeah. So, hello friends. It's been a while since I recorded one of these. Wow. Getting used to that new audio program. Surviving school. At least I'm surviving school. I hope you all are too if you're in school. Or surviving whatever life stuff. I guess I should probably talk about this art instead, shouldn't I? Or I could be wildly off topic like Sean Hogan. That's really funny. I like his stuff. Well, yeah, I guess here's the cover page for chapter 2 of X Pursuer of Truth. Yay! I won't talk about any plot stuff that is foreshadowing because I think it's more fun for you all to sit there and guess. But yeah, I hope it's an unexpected surprise for the characters you're seeing on the cover. I know a lot of people really like Generosity, so I'm like, occasionally I think about, oh god, how am I gonna work her in more? Because people seem to really like her. But it's also only chapter 1, and I think there's plenty of other stuff that people will like and enjoy. So yeah. Heck man, I wanted to get more than just like the cover page done, but just between school and everything, I just did not. But I'm happy to have at least the cover page done. So, like, that's something. Oh man, Lily's face. Lily's face was very hard to draw. So yeah. I'm happy to say that Cecil, who's the third character on this cover that has not appeared yet in the comic, will be appearing in chapter 2, and I'll finally be able to talk about him. Thank goodness. Because, like, I really like him. Yeah. I don't know what else. Oh, other news. Whatchamacallit, I still don't have a release date for chapter 2 of the comic, but I am happy to officially announce that my significant other, who is credited as Emmett Kane, has been helping me out with scripts and everything and like editing. And well, he didn't help me like do a lot of like chapter 1. He's since helped me do a lot of revisions for chapter 2 and just bounce ideas and everything. And it's just like really that crazy rock of support when I'm working on this comic. So yeah, he'll be officially credited in the upcoming chapters for at least the next 3, because that's how many scripts he's helped with. I'm quite ahead on my scripts, I just don't have all the time to do the art that I want. Yeah. Also, because I was just figuring out, like, my recording software setup for the new computer and everything, there is some footage that I lost because I recorded it in the wrong file format and I don't have a converter to use that, will get it to something that my video editor can use. But now I know, so some of the process might have disappeared on somebody, somewhere. On myself. That's the only person that it would have disappeared on. Anyway, yeah. I don't have any other rambles to talk about. Yeah. So, I guess just enjoy yourself and have a good Thanksgiving. Don't put up with any family bullcrap and eat tasty food. Yeah. See ya. Oh, hey, you made it to the end of this. Thanks for sticking all the way to the end. So, yeah. This is the part where I thank all of my patrons: Big Print, Danny Jones, Holly King, Rebecca Yuva, Scarlet Brooks, and The Painted Dog. Heck yeah, thank you guys for all your support.